This is the second look that I'm creating with the Natasha Denona Mini Starlette palette. I'm loving these mini palettes. These colours are very, very nice. First of all though, I'm just prepping my eyelids with a little bit of pressed powder, just getting rid of any oiliness and just setting the foundation that I have on the top. The first shade that I'm going in with is called Vega, and it is a really gorgeous soft matte pink shade. So I'm placing that into the outer corner and just using little windshield wiper movements and moving it across through the crease there. I'm also placing it into the inner corner and just meeting the other side there. And again, little windshield wiper movements as well. So just sweeping it back and forth. Just while I'm waiting, I'm actually going to put some powder here because I'm looking a little bit dewy. Hadn't quite set my makeup just yet. Now I'm running that same lovely colour Vega just underneath the eye line there as well, lash line. Now I'm taking a finer fluffy brush and just using it's called the Nude Mauve, and placing that in the outer corner and really brushing that into the crease. Once again, placing it in the inner corner as well and meeting the other shade there too. So really sort of carving out a little bit of a crease there. Really, really soft and just buffing it back and forth. Going back in with the pink shade just to soften out those edges. And then I will go back now in with the other shade as well. So this is the Galaxia. This is the shimmer in the palette, the lighter shimmer. And I'm placing this on the ball of my eye and just bringing it slightly into the inner corner as well. And I'm really pressing that onto my eyelid. Some of the shimmers do have a little bit of fallout, but not too much. I haven't actually prepped underneath my eyes, just in case there is fallout. Once again, as I said, just going back in with that shade too, just to even diffuse those edges, make sure that that shimmer is not up into the crease. This is a charcoal eye pencil by Youngblood Mineral Cosmetics, and I'm just running that into the tight line and also along the bottom lash line, and again working it into my lashes. I do like to work it right into the lash line. I don't like to take over the eyeshadows that I've just done. I prefer to just really see the colours and just put a nice line there just to add definition. Swipe of mineral mascara, and now I'm just putting a small amount of that shimmer just underneath. Be really careful that the shimmer doesn't fall. Cleaning up under the eyes, just using a cotton tip and some eye cream. This helps to get off any excess makeup that you don't want there and also sharpen up those outer edges. Such a great little trick this, doesn't strip your face, keeps it nice and prepped. Now I'm just using a little bit of the same foundation that I used on my base, and this is the Liquid Mineral Foundation by Youngblood in Golden Tan. I don't always feel like I need concealer because sometimes I find the concealer can be quite heavy and it just sits in my creases. I'm setting that straight away with the Rice Mineral Powder, setting powder by Youngblood. Now I'm just going over my contour with Makeup by Mario. This is in light. The lips, I am lining them with the Mecca Cosmetica. This is called Classy. So I have found that it's a little bit plum, so I'm just brushing that out a little bit, blending it into my lips, but I am going to take a little bit off and use a Clinique gloss. I'm using the same pink shadow as my blush, just over the top of cream blush that I have. I really find this gives the look a really cohesive look and really buffing that into that outer corner to create some lift as well in the face. I hope you like it.